Good morning. Morning after the night before. Checking out of the hotel. Give you a better view of the hotel room. It's a fair-sized room, but you know, it is what it is. That's the telly. That's the room effectively, and that's the bathroom. Although I call it a bathroom, it's more a shower room than a bathroom. Really, all it's got is a standing shower. So there it is. There I am. Hello, and I shall record more of the journey and upload that. Okay, till then, peace. I'm never quite sure how to sign out of these things, but yeah, I'll do that. Peace.
Colo mentality.